Assalamu alaikum dear students. This is class 12th, subject economics, higher secondary school khumriyal. Topic is consumers equilibrium using marginal utility analysis. Consumers equilibrium using marginal utility analysis. One commodity case. Number first is rupee worth of marginal utility actually received by the consumer is equal to the marginal utility of money as specified by the consumer himself. That is equal to marginal utility of X commodity by price of X is equal to marginal utility of money or rupee worth. It means that the rupee worth of marginal utility actually received is exactly equal to the rupee worth of satisfaction as desired by the consumer. Number two, marginal utility of money remains constant as it is a measuring rod of rupee worth of satisfaction. Number third, law of diminishing marginal utility holds good in case of marginal utility tends to rise. Consumption of commodity will never reach an end. Equilibrium will never strike. Then in case of two commodities, rupee worth, number first is rupee worth marginal utility should be the same across good X and good Y and equal marginal utility of money. That is equal to marginal utility of X by price of X is equal to marginal utility of Y divided by price of Y is equal to marginal utility of money or rupee worth. It means that the rupee worth of marginal utility derived from either commodity is exactly equal to the rupee worth of satisfaction as desired by the consumer. Number second, marginal utility of money remains constant. Number third, law of diminishing marginal utility holds good. Now, conditions of consumers equilibrium should not be confused using utility approach with the assumptions which are as under. Number one, the utility can be expressed in cardinal numbers like 1, 2, 3, etc. Number two, marginal utility of money remains constant. Number third, the law of diminishing marginal utility hold good. Number fourth, the consumer behaves rationally and aims at the maximization of his satisfaction. Now, limitations of this utility analysis is that the basic limitation of utility analysis relates to the basic assumption of this analysis, that is, the utility can be expressed in cardinal numbers. It implies that utility can be measured in units like 1, 2, 3, etc. Is it really possible? As a consumer, do you ever express your satisfaction in terms of units like 1, 2, 3? Perhaps never. Satisfaction can be measured in terms of more or less. When goods are consumed, it is hard to express it in figures. तो ये था यूटिलिटी एनालिसिस. इसको नोट करना, कॉपी पर नोट करना. इस क्वेश्चन को बड़ा इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है. इसको नोट करें मेहरबानी करके और लिखें और इसको रिपीट करके देखें इस वीडियो को, ताकि आप ये पढ़ सकें और लिख सकें घर में। कल ये एग्ज़ाम में अगर आया तो इसको हल कर सकें, आप सॉल्व कर सकें। कल तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।